Hey there, Shieldmaiden here. Okay, today I've got for you a super quick, super yummy recipe, hot mango chutney. Everything is assembled and ready to go. We've got white sugar, brown sugar, lemon juice, salt, freshly ground black pepper, apple cider vinegar, raisins, ground cloves, ground nutmeg, ground chili powder, one cinnamon stick, two big mangoes, ripe mangoes cut up into pieces, also two garlic cloves into pieces, one medium onion, about half a cup of fresh ginger, and I've got here my favorite, a cut up serrano chili. Nice and spicy. You can use a jalapeno if you prefer a little less spice, or if you don't want any spiciness at all, any heat, you can also just omit the chili. All right, let's rock this recipe. Nothing could be simpler than this. Literally dump all of that into a 4-quart saucepan. Heat it up, bring it to a boil, then reduce it to a simmer and let it cook for a couple of hours until you get it nice and cooked down and intensifying those flavors. Been cooking for about half an hour. Already starting to look like chutney. It's getting darkened, kind of a caramely color, and it's already thickening and reducing down. Okay, and that's a wrap. I told you it was quick and easy. And look at it. It's beautiful, lovely color. It's very aromatic. You can tell it's going to taste great, and it does because I've tried it. I'm going to make some homemade naan. Rock this recipe, as I said at the beginning. But just store it in this airtight, well, relatively airtight glass jar. That's the best I've found, but you could store it in airtight plastic as well. Just keep it in the refrigerator and it will last for probably at least a month. I think I've gotten it to last even a little bit longer than that, and it actually deepens in flavor. You know, it's a pickled type of thing, so it maintains its flavor really, really well over time. So anyway, that's it from me, the Shieldmaiden. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.